Alright, we're going to rubbing alcohol on a rag, and we're going to clean this whole area. We're going to clean it up really, really nice. We're going to let that dry for a bit. Again, 3M auto trim. Black super weather strip adhesive. Fast driving, exceptional bond. That'd be drying, not driving. Firmly bonds, gaskets, weather stripping, water resistant. Your sunroof, moonroof, your T-tops, your door, your window strips. You can use it in a ton of spots. It is methyl ethyl ketone, phenolic resin complex. It's a trade secret, it says. Polychloropropylene or propene, hexane, toluene, heptane, magnesium oxide, methylcyclopentane, methylpentane, methylpentane 3, methylpentane 2, carbon black, ethyl benzene, formaldehyde, oh that's good for you, and benzene. So you can get high from this while you're doing it. So, this stuff is really runny. I highly recommend some nitrile or some form of gloves. It is very runny, very gooey. I'll bring you in for a close-up. It's really kind of drippy stuff. Drippy, there's a new word, huh? There it is there. You can probably see it. I gooed it on pretty good both sides. Now you're supposed to leave it dry. How long, I do not know. Thank you so much for coming by the channel. Hope you had a good time. Hope you enjoyed the video.